The carburetor brings fuel and air together in the perfect ratio for combustion. The carburetor has many tiny passages that route fuel through it. If dirt or corrosion plugs these passages, the engine will run poorly or not start at all. A carburetor can be cleaned and rebuilt, but often it is cheaper or faster to just simply replace it. Replacing your engine's carburetor is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover. Now I'll remove the air filter cover. And the air filter. With the cover removed, I can remove the primer base. Next, I'll remove the fuel line from the carburetor. You'll either need to drain the gas from the fuel tank or clamp off the fuel line. I've already drained the gas, so I'll go ahead and remove the line. And now I can remove the carburetor. With the old carburetor removed, now I can install the new carburetor. The new carburetor includes a new O-ring and gasket. I'll install those first. The O-ring is used on the intake. I'll remove the old O-ring and install the new one. The gasket goes on the back of the air filter box. I'll reconnect the linkage, and now I can secure it with the bolts. Next, I'll reinstall the fuel line. And secure the fuel line clamp. Now I'll reinstall the base. Connect the throttle linkage. I'll make sure that I reinstall the breather tube to the back of the base and align the base with the carburetor. I'll secure it with the screws. And now I'll reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish by reinstalling the motor cover. And now you know how to replace the carburetor in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.